We're Lush, the OG bath bomb inventors, making fizzies since '89. And they're still being handmade today, at a rate of 77 bath bombs per minute. Drop them in water to boost your mood, fill your senses, and be transported to another universe. Hand-pressed with reusable molds that get recycled at the end of their life, ethically sourced ingredients, and of course, we never ever test on animals. We mix refreshing bicarbonate of soda, zingy citric acid, plastic-free glitter, inspiring essential oils and fragrances, and a little bit of Lush magic. You'll never see the same bath art twice. All of this and zero packaging. Always fresh, always handmade.